Step into the Chevrolet 2016 Suburban LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are enhanced driver alert package, Y86, magnetic ride control suspension package, preferred equipment group 1LZ, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, Bose Centerpoint premium 10-speaker surround sound, CD player, floor console with storage area and HD radio. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.